Unbelievable, guys. I've just created this amazing looking WordPress website using Claude code. And I didn't write any single line of code or drag and dropped any single element to create this website. I just used a Pinterest inspiration and converted it into a fully working WordPress website with editing capabilities with simple drag and drop elements. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps how you can use Claude code to create a Pinterest idea inspired website design. Okay, so in order to do that, we will need to go to Pinterest and search for any kind of website you are looking for. For example, we can search for salon website or e-commerce website or any kind of business website we want. I have already downloaded and modified a Pinterest inspired design over here, and I am going to create a similar kind of website design and convert it into a WordPress website. Okay, you just need to download any kind of inspirational image you like, whether it's on Behance or Dribble or Figma or Pinterest. You can choose it from any platform you like, because the steps I'm going to show you using Claude code will work perfectly for all the platforms equally. Okay, so what you need to do, you just simply need to download the image you like. After that, just go to Claude chat editor and upload your image over there. After uploading your image, give it a simple prompt that analyze this image and give me a detailed prompt to create an amazing looking HTML, CSS and JavaScript website out of it. You can use Tailwind CSS to enhance the look of the website. Okay, after giving the prompt, let's wait for it, and what Claude will do, it will analyze the image, the website mockup, and it will give us the detailed prompt which we can later implement and create an amazing looking website using HTML codes. Okay, so we don't need to write any single line of code, it will do everything automatically. So let's wait for it while it's writing the detailed prompt. Okay, so our prompt is ready. Let's give it a simple command again that use the above prompt direction and create an HTML website out of it. Okay, and it will now look for the complete command is written, the complete document it has created, and give us the HTML codes. And amazing, our website is ready. We can now simply download the HTML codes of the website, and we can simply open it locally on our browser to see the website. And look at this, guys, it's looking amazing. Check out the hero section and the about us section. Everything is looking very professional, the layout is clean, and it's fully inspired by the image design we have provided to the Claude. Okay, so everything is looking insane, the sections, the happy customers, and we didn't write any single line of code to create this website. Okay, so our HTML website version is ready, and there is one more thing I would like to tell you guys, that the images are getting fetched online using pixels. Okay, it's an stock directory for the images. Okay, so now let's convert this HTML website to a WordPress website. We just need to upload the HTML version of our website to Claude and give it a simple command that please convert this attached HTML website into a WordPress website using Gutenberg block code. And Claude will do all the heavy liftings for us and give us the complete code which we can simply copy and paste into our WordPress version. Okay, so our code is ready. Let's click on the code mode and we will be able to copy it. Okay, but before that, let's go to our WordPress admin section and let's install and activate WordPress Astra theme, which is one of the most popular WordPress theme right now. Okay, and after activating this theme, let's create a new page and let's give it a title as home. Okay, after that, let's click on these three dots and click on the code editor, and let's go to copy our codes over here from Claude, and let's press Ctrl V to paste all of our codes. Okay, let's switch it to visual mode here, and our website should be now working completely fine. Let's publish this page and let's view our website. Okay, let's open the website in new tab and check this out, guys. Okay, so this is looking insane, guys. Okay, and it's pretty identical to what we have in our HTML version. So it means we have got our WordPress website ready, but there are some flaws, like we don't want this title over here, and we want the website to be full layout. So let's modify into Astra settings, and let's click on the sidebar to no sidebar, and let's disable the header and footer element so that it will look completely identical to what we have from our Pinterest design. Okay, so let's save the changes, and let's refresh the page. So this header should be gone, and this footer should be gone, and this title should not be visible over here as well. Let's refresh the page and check this out, guys. Amazing, we have converted our website to a WordPress website within minutes. Okay, we didn't drag and drop the elements and invested hours of work into it. We just literally did it using AI with the help of Claude. Okay, and it just took us 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, it's literally insane, guys. I remember the days which took me the hours to create this kind of website, but not anymore. Okay, so this is a new possibilities of AIs, and you can simply explore it. And let's compare it side by side. Here is our HTML version, and here is our WordPress website, and it's looking identical, right? And we didn't use those lots of fancy plugins or lots of fancy pop-up options or animations. Okay, we just need to give the simple prompts to Claude, and it will help us convert this kind of website into a WordPress website with fully working functionalities. Okay, now let's click on edit page, and let's see how the page editing goes. Okay, so we can, it had divided into few blocks. Okay, so it has provided us the HTML block codes. Okay, so this is not native Gutenberg blocks, but we can simply edit it with a basic knowledge of HTML. Okay, so it's not a big deal for anyone who knows a little bit about coding, little bit about HTML. It's pretty straightforward to change the images. We just need to change the src URL over here, or we can simply edit the text in the same manner as well. Okay, so every block has its own HTML widget. So but I will not be just limited to this HTML blocks in this video. Let's try to convert it into fully working native WordPress Gutenberg blocks, which can be simply drag and drop and can be edited visually without any code editings. Okay, so even beginners can perform this kind of changes. Other than that, this website is looking pretty insane, guys, and I am very happy to achieve this kind of result within 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so now let's give it another command that the for now the code is using HTML widgets for Gutenberg, but I want the native Gutenberg blocks. Can you do it into a native Gutenberg blocks way? Okay, so it will run for a few minutes. Let's wait for it, and it should give us the fully working code now. And here it is. So our new code is ready. Let's go to code mode. Let's copy the codes, and let's go to our WordPress page, and let's follow the same steps. Let's go to code editor from here. Let's delete everything from here, and let's paste the updated code over here. Let's switch to visual mode to see how it goes. Okay, so it says attempt recovery, no issue. Let's save the changes and view the website first, and after that we will check the editing part. Okay, so this is pretty decent, guys. Okay, so we are able to achieve the same result using Gutenberg block codes as well, I guess. Okay, so it's pretty identical, looks nice. Let's go to page editing. We can see there are some attempt recovery blocks, no issue. We just need to click on the attempt recovery, and it should open the edit option. Okay, so we are now able to achieve editing visually using the native Gutenberg block codes. We can change this image to any other image. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward now. We don't need to go with any kind of codings now. Okay, let's try to edit this text block, this heading over here. Okay, so let's change it to health. Let's change healthy to super healthy over here. Okay, okay. We just need to simply select this, and let's type super healthy restaurant and healthy life. Okay, let's click on save changes on the top right, and let's verify the changes now. Let me refresh the page over here, and it should be reflected in real time, and that's great, guys. Okay, so we just need to click on the attempt recovery button, and we are able to edit this website using native Gutenberg block. Okay, so Claude is getting very powerful right now, guys. Okay, and I am pretty sure that this problem of attempt recovery will be solved in upcoming versions as well. So what's your take on it? Do you think about this kind of AI development into WordPress website developing environments? Okay, let me know in the comments. If you want me to create this kind of website using Elementor page builder, then let me know in the comments, and I will make sure to make the next video using Elementor page builder if I will get enough number of comments. Have a wonderful day.